Welcome back to the shop. This video is an announcement that I have a hotline set up in case you have any motocross dirt bike mechanical related questions and need them answered on the fly. The phone number is on my YouTube page. You can catch it right here. To get your questions answered by UpAllNight91, please call 813-692-9711. That's 813-692-9711. There's a small fee and it's by the minute, but I have it set up really nice and cheap, so you'll get a pretty good deal out of it. You can check down in the comment section of any one of my videos and you'll see I do the best I can to answer as many questions as I can, but sometimes it can take a day, 2 or 3 days for me to finally have the time to answer them questions. So if you're in the middle of a top-end job, let's say you're following one of my videos or you're trying to figure out a running issue, your bike's running funny, you're trying to diagnose it, and you need an answer pretty much on the fly, well, that's what this hotline is set up for. You can call me and I will answer. Now obviously there are hours of operation. I do have to sleep from time to time, so if it goes directly to my answer machine, no worries, you will not be charged for that. Just call back later and hopefully you get through. One tip is if you have pictures that you need me to look at to help you figure out what's going on, or videos, you're going to want to email that to me first before you make the phone call. And my email address is always on my YouTube page, UpAllNight91@hotmail.com. Now keep in mind, I am only human. I don't know everything, but if you watch my videos, you'll kind of get an idea of what level of expertise I'm at and if I can probably answer your questions or not. So anything mechanical, repairs, dialing in your suspension, what bike should you get next, even generic questions like that are fine. This is probably the first and only motocross dirt bike tech line out there, so cool. I'll do the best I can. Give me a call, guys. Let me help you out. See you in the next video.